Good morning, students. Once again, welcome in the chapter The Alien Planet. We have already discussed in previous video about this article. Half of the chapter we have discussed. This chapter is article that was written 1994, and here the Green Party that was formed in New Zealand in 1972. So the things those have been discussed about the awareness. Man started getting aware about the role of human being towards environment, towards Mother Earth, towards the planet where we are living. So let's get started. Page number 44, fourth paragraph. In the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia. In Zambia, there is a zoo, and inside the zoo, there is a cage. And if you enter the cage, there is a notice board, and on the notice board, the words clearly written, the most dangerous animal. And if you see that who is the most dangerous animal, so there is a mirror. So in the mirror, your image that pops up, you see your own image. It means who is most dangerous, and whosoever is looking in the mirror means human being. Every human being is most dangerous animal, because he is misusing the natural resources, deforestation, urbanization, and the exploitation of the earth to such a large extent that we are making our planet unhealthy, we are making it sick. So that's why only human being, just deforestation and not planting the trees and not taking care of the environment. So this is the basic reasons to get our planet sick. Next, here, so thanks to that awareness, because these type of societies, whether in the form of a party or in the form of a zoo, so they are spreading awareness according to their own way, as this zoo that is awareing people in his own way. Next, in the same paragraph, and the most important sentence that's written here, that he has realized, the he means human being, man, realize the wisdom of shifting from a system based on domination to the based on partnership. One thing is domination. We think that we have dominated this planet Earth. We are the only sole species that has the right to live here. But now, after getting awareness, the awareness that was spread by various organizations, so now from domination to partnership. Here partnership means we are not only human beings who are living here. With us many other species share. So what's other species that written in the next paragraph? 1.4 million. 1 million consists of 10 lakh, and 1.4 means 14 lakh of other species. Those are in the list, and other, it's written, biologists reckoned that about 3 to 100 million other species still languish, means so they are not in the list, so they are growing weaker and in ignominious darkness. Here, ignominious darkness means so they are not in the light, they are not discovered. means many species, millions of species, so they are there. So those, they are in the list 14 lakhs of species. Out of 14 lakh, that is reckoned, that is already discovered by the scientist, by the biologist. And among 14 lakh species, man is also with them. So earlier we were using the things just to keep in mind that they are the other creature, they are animal, but man is also a social animal when he got awareness. So from domination, that being a human being, we have to strip the natural resources of the earth. So now this concept has changed from domination to a partner. So all other, they are part of the earth like human being. So that's why they have also right to live, and they make ecosystem. Next, Mr. L.K. Jha, one of the distinguished means respected, well known member of Branded Commission, that commission that was formed much earlier. So he raised the question: are we to leave our and successor means the future generation that is to come, a scorched planet. Scorched means burnt planet, full of heat. We all know that global warming, that's increasing year by year, of advancing desert. If the planet is not healthy, deforestation, it will continue, and the desert will be visible. Only desert, water will be less, desert will be visible, and this planet, it will be like a hot bowl. Next, Mr. Lester R. Brown, in his book The Global Economic Prospect, he points out that world trade that is entertained with basic four things. And what are those four things? One is fishery, forest, grassland, and cropland. They are interdependent. One thing depends on the other. Cropland, it will be converted in a wasteland, in a barren land, if we keep on using pesticide, if we are using the rate nowadays. And grassland, due to deforestation, everybody knows that the grassland, the pastures, the area near the rivers, so it has been converted into buildings, factories, or other apartments. And fishery, to get protein and other thing, so we are overfishing. Forest, so we are cutting the forest, so jungle, they are cleaned up. So in the next page number 45, so here cutting of forest has been mentioned, not in the form of urbanization, but in the form of fuel that is used to cook the food. So here the dung, natural fertilizer that should be used in field, in arable land, so that is used to cook the food. So here there is a beautiful line: what goes under the pot now costs more than what goes inside it. Suppose there is a pot and under the pot fire is burning, and whatever is being cooked here inside the pot, this is vegetable, and the food is being cooked here, and what is inside the pot, it is less costly than what is under the pot. So what is under the pot? Under the pot, firewood, the dung, that should not be used in such alarming rate. So all these things they have been mentioned here. Now the forest, they are being cut down. The rate, I think in 1994 the article was written, so that time it was estimated that 1.5 acre a second, per second, 1.5 an acre land is cut down. So this is really a matter of concern. And next, in the last paragraph, page number 45, article 48A. In article 48A, so this is the rule: the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. So it's the duty of the state, duty of the central government, and duty of the local government bodies to protect and safeguard the forest and the environment. So here in this, the same paragraph in bracket, examples are provided. So in those examples, that many laws, so they are enforced. The laws, they have been made, but they are not strictly used. So like bounded labor, like casteism, like untouchability, to remove all these social evil. So many laws, they are there in our India. By the Indian Constitution, laws have been provided, but they are not implemented strictly or judicially. So that's why in the same way, not to cut the tree. So there are so many law for this, but still people, they are misusing their rights. So that's why, so this chapter is all about to protect the environment. So here on all the things, so it's about the population. So mainly two things they have been mentioned here in this chapter. One is deforestation and second is population. So what is this? Let me tell you. In the year up to year 1800, now it's 2020, means 220 years back, the world population, it touched 1 billion. 1 billion in the sense 100 crore. And in 1900, again 1 billion, that was increased. So now think about the blast of the population. Up to 1800 means when the man came on the scene with the entry of Adam and Eve, when the first man incarnated on this earth. So since the dawn of the creation and up to 1800 years, means up to the year, according to the British calendar, 1800, the population, that was 1 billion. And just in 1 century, 100, it increased to 1 more billion. Means the time that was taken to reach 1 billion, first 1 billion, so now second billion it reached. And this article that was written 1994, so it is estimated according to the increased population that up to 1999, means before 20th century, so they again 3.7 7 million, it again increased. And now in 2020, so I think, so total 1 billion, 2 billion and 3.7 billion, total it's 5.7 billion. So now it has increased up to 7.5 billion. 7.55 billion, maybe more than or maybe less than. So it's not exactly found out. So whatever has been figured out, so according to this, so in such an alarming rate the population it's increasing, deforestation, urbanization and the misuse of the planet earth natural resources, so they are stripped. And if we do not protect the environment, so future generation has to suffer a lot, because we are not the person who has got this planet from our forefathers, but we have borrowed from our children. If we do not protect it, it means so we are snatching away the thing from the future generation that is to come. So I hope you have got something about the chapter. So all these things that I have discussed, it's already given in the chapter. I just briefed it out to get you some better understanding. And I would upload some question answer and hope you would answer them. Thanks a lot.